Assalamualaikum, my name is Shoaib Irfan. I work for Lenovo as an enterprise country channel manager and alliances. I look after all the enterprise market in Pakistan and Afghanistan based out of Dubai. Joined Lenovo in January 2015 after IBM transition to Lenovo, in which IBM sold out its System Max division to Lenovo. Before that, I was working with IBM Pakistan team for good 4 years. I worked for IBM Pakistan for 4 years, and basically I started my career in 2004. Worked with various local IT and network-based companies. So this is about me. As far as Pakistan local IT industry is concerned, I think it's on a very right track at the moment. The industry is booming. We have different kind of opportunities coming up to us from the different segment of customer base in Pakistan. For example, if you talk about telcos these days, so telcos are more focused towards the data side, data streaming, data analytics, and all those stuff. If you talk about FSI, financial industries, so financial industries are more aligned towards at the moment towards consolidating and virtualizing their infrastructure and their network systems. When you talk about the healthcare, now things are coming towards the healthcare even as well. We are looking at the new hospitals and the new private institutions that are coming up with a very good system at their back end, and they are very IT savvy at the moment. So they need to have good IT systems at their back end, good infrastructure companies they need to work with. So I think as far as Pakistan IT market is concerned, it's on a very right track. It's booming, and we see a lot of potential in next 2 to 3 years in Pakistan towards the infrastructure and the other IT trends which are happening for Pakistan. We started touch basing almost every vertical in Pakistan. For example, if we call us as an SMB or a mid-market segment, Alhamdulillah, we did quite a good number of projects for the mid-market clients in this fiscal year. If we talk about the financial industry, we are into financial industry as well. We work with various banks. We closed a number of infrastructure major deals in this year with the banks as well. Telcos are like towards these days, like towards the infrastructure and the IT spending, telcos are a bit on the slower side at the moment. The reason is because they recently have a 3G and 4G transformation, so they are more inclined towards setting up their infrastructure towards 3G and 4G. But whenever there is a requirement for any network or any infrastructure upgrade, we are working in telcos as well. I cannot name one or two customers at the moment, but the focus is towards the enterprise side, which we call it as banks and telcos majorly. Alongside that, government of Pakistan is one of the very key components to us. Especially if we look at the country dynamics, we have done numerous projects with Punjab government, both towards the PC sides, PC division, and also towards the infrastructure division. In Pakistan, we have our sales team, who is basically there to help to manage the end customer relationship segment, which is very important for us as a Lenovo. So we really honor that. And when we look at the needs and the demands of CIOs these days, so the buzzword is cloud, right? So most of the enterprise organizations are either working towards consolidating their infrastructure, or they want to move internally towards the cloud side of things, basically, which includes their internal IT needs, and few organizations are there as well who are into the public segment as well. So whatever they are doing, they are trying to invest around the cloud portfolio at the moment. Second and the most important thing for the CIOs these days is analysis of the data streams they have, of the data available to them for their organization, for their growth. So if we talk about Lenovo in it, I think we fulfill almost all kind of requirements. We are an infrastructure company. We are not a software company. We make our alliances with most of the software vendors in Pakistan or outside Pakistan or towards the global side of things, and then we help customers to achieve their desired goal with the help of our robust and our provided hardware and and the implementation skills which we have in Pakistan with our business partners, of course. We have grown as a channel organization in Pakistan in the last 1 year. I think we have more than, if we talk about the managed partners, I think in managed partners, we have more than 20 organizations working with us, and they are the very, very good partners to us. For example, I can name few very easily. GBM Pakistan is one, Infotech is there, TechXS is there, New Horizon Technologies is there. So Silicon Technologies is another name. CNSE Engineering is there. So Alhamdulillah, like in this year we made good partners. We are strengthening our partner base by every second day. We are including new partners on board. We are recruiting new partners on board, and alongside that we are strengthening our product portfolio with our alliances as well. So for example, we are working very closely with we are working very closely with Microsoft, we are working very closely with VMware, we are working very closely with few other hardware manufacturers and few Chinese companies who are operating out of Pakistan in order to cater Pakistan market needs basically. What is happening in Pakistan this time around is like people wants to move towards the cloud because they want to reduce their management pains basically towards the infrastructure. This is one area where people are looking at the cloud because they think that they can manage their infrastructure very well when it comes to the cloud level, right? And at the moment I'm talking about the private cloud only. Towards the public cloud, I think our market needs another 5 to 6 years to get developed towards the public cloud, because yes, there are I won't say that there are safety or any security issues, but there are the issues which are still yet to be addressed, and people are not the local compliance. For example, if we talk about the State Bank compliance or we talk about few other compliances, they are yet to be driven in the market, so yet to be finalized. So towards the public cloud, there is a major significant milestone to be achieved, which will take another 5 to 6 years. And towards the private cloud, people have started adopting the private cloud model more than the public cloud at the moment. 2016 for Lenovo in Pakistan, I see a very good growth, a year for a major growth basically. The reason I'm saying is like the first year after IBM transition, it took us, like we had different challenges. We had partners to move from IBM portal to the Lenovo portal and to the Lenovo systems basically, and then we had to tell like the processes were different, that there were things which were needed to be addressed for the partners as well. But Alhamdulillah, in this year we have done a significant job in Pakistan. Next year, moving forward, 2016, we see a very good growth. We have a client base now, we have references. So I see 2016 to be a year of significant growth in Pakistan, and especially when now government is willing to spend more towards the IT side, and we are seeing the growth towards the government side of things as well. So we are getting support from the government of Pakistan as well. So we as a Lenovo are a very, very open and flexible company to work with. We accept local market challenges. We are a global company, but driven by the local policies. So we go by a global to local approach. So whatever we are doing in Pakistan at the moment, it's by the trend of Pakistani market. So we are very flexible to work with customers, with business partners, and inshallah, in the times in few years around, you'll see Lenovo as a major brand in Pakistan.